Hello folks, welcome back to part 3 of our Excel Plus Cloud AI series. Now imagine calculating DA, HRA, bonus, PF and net salary manually for hundreds of employees. That takes a lot of time, right? But with Cloud AI and Excel, we can automate the entire payroll process using just one prompt. If you haven't watched the previous part, the links are given in the description. And now let's dive in. I have taken one employee dataset which is available in the payroll sheet as you can observe on the screen. Now our task is to find the payroll calculation. So first let's understand the data. In this employee data I have employee ID column. Next I have the employee name, department column and basic salary. Now with the help of this basic salary column we need to find DA. So what is DA? I think you know already. DA means Dearance allowance. So basically we need to find DA, HRA, bonus, PF and net salary. If you want to calculate the DA, it is very simple. You need to find 10% of the basic salary. If you want to find HRA, 20% of basic salary and we have the respective percentage of bonus and PF. Now to calculate the net salary, I don't know which formula we need to use. So instead of doing all this manually, we can take help of Cloud AI. So if you guys really excited to see how the Cloud AI can calculate all this value within few seconds, do write in the comment section payroll calculation, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's move on to the topic. So first let's on the Cloud AI. So here on the screen you can see already, right? So this is the Cloud AI. Let us click on this. Once I click on Cloud AI, the Cloud AI panel will come at the right hand side. I hope it is visible. Now to calculate all this, we need to give prompt to Cloud AI, right? Sorry, it is prompt. Now let's go to the prompt. Okay. Now here you can observe, I have given the prompt to calculate automate payroll calculation. So basically we are doing with the help of Cloud AI, we are calculating all the payroll calculation which are according to the corporate payroll formula. So this is a simple prompt. Let's see. In the payroll sheet, calculate DA 10%, HRA 20% and the bonus is 8%. Next we have PF 12% and the net salary from the basic salary using the corporate payroll formula. So let's copy this prompt and let's see the magic of Cloud AI. So let's copy this, Ctrl C and paste the prompt in the chat area. Let's go to the payroll sheet. Okay. Now just to wait for a few seconds guys. Let's click on this run. Now once I click on run, the Cloud AI has started thinking. Just you need to wait for a few seconds. It will automatically give all the calculation. Data goes through. Wow. It's completely amazing. Look here guys. The Cloud AI within second it has generated the formulas, values also. Let me adjust all the column width. Double click on this. Right. Let us click on this DA. If you observe carefully inside the formula bar, it has given the formula also. It has given the cell address which is a D2 into 0.1 which is 10%, right? In the same way it has given HRA which is D2 into 0.2. Let's see the bonus. It is D2 into 0.08 which is 8% of basic salary. In the same way it has given the PF which is D2 cell into 12%. Now let's see the net salary. Wow, look here guys. It has given the net salary. So no need of thinking what is the net salary formula we need to use. Automatically with the help of Cloud AI it is possible. Just within few seconds it has generated all the values instead of doing any manual work. So this is the power of Cloud AI. Then do like this video. Now look at here guys. The net salary it has calculated is basic salary D2 cell. Now DA plus next it has calculated HRA and bonus. Now it has subtracted PF from this complete value. Now it has given the net salary, right? This is how with the help of Cloud AI we have calculated all the values within few seconds with the help of single prompt which we have given here. So the prompt is very simple as you can observe on the screen. Now let's move into the next prompt. Now I need to summarize the report. So basically this is our data, right? Now from this data I want to summarize the report Like employee names are available, department is available. Now like according to department wise, which department is getting good salary, or which department has the least salary, or which employee is having the highest salary, lowest salary. So basically we need to summarize the report. Let's see how we can do with the help of Claude AI. This is a simple prompt. Let me show you with the help of highlighter. Let's see the prompt. Okay, the prompt is very simple. Also generate department wise payroll analysis including highest salary. So basically we are telling Claude AI to generate department wise highest salary, next is lowest salary, average net salary, total payroll expense, and top paying department with summarized insight. Now let us copy this prompt, double click on this, select the prompt, Control C. Now paste the prompt in the chat section. Now go to the payroll sheet. Now look at here guys, just with the help of single prompt, we will able to summarize the record. Let's click on run. Once you click on run, just to wait for a few seconds. Tell me in the comment section if you do it manually, how much time it will take for you. And let's see, I will build a department wise summary on the payroll sheet below the data. Started thinking, making, made 2 edits. Let's see how much time it will take. Let's see. Okay, look at here guys, it has started analyzing the data. As you can observe on the screen, note H2 was manually edited to 0. Let's see H2 cell. Okay, just to wait for a few seconds guys. Wow, it's completely fabulous. Look at here guys, it has given department wise payroll analysis. It has given the table. Let me adjust all the column width first. Okay, right, or let me decrease it. I think it is perfect now, or let me decrease a little bit more, decrease the column width. Yes, now look at here guys, what the Claude AI has given. It has generated department wise payroll analysis. It has given the department. So each department it has given total number of employee in each department. Let's see which formula it has used. Wow, the Claude AI has used COUNTIF formula to find total number of employee in each department. To calculate the highest net salary, Claude AI has used max ifs formula. In the same way, to calculate lowest net salary, it has used minimum ifs formula. And to calculate the average, sorry guys, let me edit it. Okay, now to calculate the average net salary, it has taken average if formula. Now to find total payroll expense, it has given sum if formula. Now let's see the insight generated by Claude AI. As you can observe on the screen, it has given 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 insight. Let's see the first one, total payroll expenses across 40 employee. So it is a total payroll expenses. Next it has given top paying department total sales. Highest average net salary is 62,172 per employee. Next lowest average net salary is IT department, approximately 52,000. Now the highest individual net salary is 74,995, which is the sales. Lowest individual net salary is 38,089, sales, widespread within sales. And note H2 Anita Singh PF was manually set to 0, inflating IT figures slightly. You can see the power of Claude AI, how it has given the insight in detail. In the same way, it has given department wise payroll. Now let's see what I will do. I will just write one prompt. I will tell Claude AI to find, or let us tell to create a dashboard. Create a dashboard. Create a dashboard by analyzing the payroll sheet. Let's see whether the Claude AI can create a dashboard or not. Just to wait for a few seconds guys. So this is how the Claude AI work in Excel. This is very powerful, right? Look at here guys, it started creating the dashboard. New sheet is created, which is dashboard sheet. Now let's see how much time it will take. Wow, it has given the payroll dashboard. Now it has given the department wise summary. It has also generated the key insight. Wow, completely amazing. On the screen you can see the Claude AI has created this payroll dashboard, which is completely amazing. Now let me cancel this Claude AI. Just let's understand what the Claude AI has given. So first it has given total number of employee which is 40. You can see the formula is COUNTIF formula. Now next it has given the total payroll, average net salary, highest salary, lowest salary. Can you write in the comment section if you do it manually how much time it will take? It has also given department wise salary. So this is a department wise employee, total payroll, average net salary, highest to lowest. It has given the key insight also. It has also created this chart which is pie chart which show employee distribution by department wise. The data labels are not visible in this pie chart. So let me click on this plus icon. From here you can on the data label. So once you click on this option, now just by looking at the pie chart, you can easily say that the sales department is having the highest employees, right? In the same way, the IT sector is having least employee department wise. Let me adjust this pie chart. Okay. Now look at here guys. At the right hand side, it has given two charts which is bar chart and this is a column chart. Let me show you. I think just wait for a few seconds. Okay. Now look at here guys. It has given total payroll by department. So basically with the help of this bar chart you can easily understand sales department is having the highest total payroll. In the same way it has created this average net salary by department wise. This chart is a clustered column chart. Let me click on this plus icon. From here I will on the data label, on the legend. Wow, look at here guys. Now if you notice carefully, this chart represent employees, payroll and average net salary, where the orange bar represent total payroll and the green bar represent average salary. So look here guys, this is how the Claude AI has given the insight, which is completely amazing. If you are using Claude AI, it is completely game changer for you. Now let's see the key insight it has generated. Top paying department. I think we have seen already, right? If you want to become expert in Claude AI, I have already provided one masterclass video. The link is given in the description. You can check it out. Let me ask you a simple question. From this complete employee dataset, I want the record of IT department only, or instead of IT department, I want to filter only the HR department and I want all the HR department record in new separate Excel workbook. So what you will do, copy paste, right? But instead of doing this manually, there is one powerful tool in Excel. The tool name is Excel Booster. As you can observe on the screen, this is the Excel Booster tool available in Excel. If you want to use this tool, the link is given in the description. You can download it. Now with the help of this Excel Booster tool, you can do lot of automation tasks. You can save your time. You can create an interactive dashboard and lot more. Now what I will do, I will simply click on this data manager. There is one option data manager where you can see this is the smart filter option available. Let's click on this smart filter. Let's see the power of this Excel Booster tool. The smart filter dialog box will appear. Select the data. It is asking you to please select your data range including headers. First row must be header. So let's select the data guys. Look here, keep your cursor. Select the data till net salary. Now press Ctrl Shift to down arrow. The entire data will be selected, right? Let's click on OK. Just wait for a few seconds. Now in this pop-up, it is asking, do you want to create the smart filter dashboard on a brand new sheet? Click yes to automatically create it on new worksheet. I will just simply go with this yes. Smart filter dashboard is ready. Let's click on OK. A new sheet is created with the name dashboard underscore 112348. And here you can notice it has given select column, enter test and export as Excel also. Let's see what I will do. I want department, right? So basically I will select the department column. Now here I will write the test. I want only HR department. So I will write here HR. Look at here guys. It will automatically filter your data. Now I want only this HR department record, right? So what I can do is I can simply click on this export as Excel. Once I click on export as Excel, so basically you need to give the location. I will select desktop. Now I will give the file name as HR only. Now we can save it as Excel workbook. Let's see the power of this. It started saving, export successfully. Now let me show you guys. Let me open the desktop folder. Just to wait for a few seconds. Let me show you the desktop. Look at here guys, it's completely amazing. The HR Excel workbook is created. Let's see whether we have the record of HR or not. Let's double click on this. Just to wait for a few seconds. Wow, it's completely magic, right? Now you can see the complete record of HR department. As you can observe, the HR department came in this new Excel workbook which is HR. This is the power of Excel Booster tool. So instead of doing any filtering, copy pasting, with the help of this Excel Booster tool, you can save your time. In the same way, let's suppose I want different department. Sorry, instead of department, from here I will select the employee name and remove this HR. Now I want to filter the employees whose surname is Singh. So what I will do, simply I will search here SINGH. Wow, look at here guys. You will get the complete record of employee name with the surname Singh, right? Let's export as Excel. Just to wait for a few seconds. Okay, give the Singh. Let's click on save. Let me open the desktop folder. A new file is created with the name Singh, right? Let's double click on this. Wow, it's completely amazing, right? So first let me adjust all the column width. Double click on this. Now if you notice carefully, you will get the complete record of employee name whose surname is Singh, right? If you want to use Excel Booster tool, the link is given in the description. You can check it out. So this is how we can automate payroll calculation using Cloud AI with Excel. In the next part, we will see one more powerful topic. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will meet you in the next part. Till then, take care. Bye bye.